It's a long story. You see, my great-grandfather told my father that they fought a couple of times before getting here. But when they were coming, our king was killed.
Oh.
And when my great-grandfather was about to die, he told my father to lead the people. He never told him to be a king. When my father was about to die, he also told me to lead our people.
Oh.
He never told me to be a king. So I don't know why I should become a king. So I cannot become a king. I can only lead the people in the village. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay.
We'll be fine.
Okay, now I understand.
Okay. But how is the family?
The family is fine.
Oh, okay. Okay. I hear. The gods will protect us.
Thank you.
I've been waiting, only me.
Now would you shut up and begin to pack yourself and leave this place before I unleash my anger on you?
I've been waiting, I'm here to...
Been there to hear this by yourself. Hey, I don't.
The way they are eager to take that position.
You have to do something about it. You have to.
Sure.
Let me assure both of you that in this community, I am the only elder in this community. And no one can become a king. If there should be anybody to become a king, it is the I that can decide. No one can do that. You girls should go. You can leave now. But I can assure you, nothing of such a thing will happen in this community. Okay? You can go. You can leave. Just leave.
Say so.
And make sure you don't discuss this with anybody.
Okay.
Okay, leave.
Thank you.
You shouldn't allow this. You shouldn't allow this to happen. Take that action.
Whenever you hear any information, come quickly and come and tell me, okay? Because when I lose it, you lose your land.
What did you bring from the farm when you came?
It's a surprise, you know.
What surprise? You like that? If you bring it, you eat.
Akrika, Akrika, I said it's not over. It's not over.
D'accord.
Hey, Apollo. What brings you this afternoon again?
I have to come because if Mohammed does not go to the mountain, mountain goes for Mohammed.
Yes, I do understand. What is the problem?
It's for your good.
Which means what?
The farming season have started.
And?
I want to help you so that you will help me.
In which way? Because I don't know what you are talking about.
2 heads are better than 1.
So?
Yes. I've thought it wise if you should cooperate with me when I'm going to my farm to farm with me.
Are you talking about farming issue?
It's for your benefit too.
But Apollo, why not my own first before yours?
I brought the idea. Listen and listen.
Yes, your brigadier. But that shouldn't be the first person to start.
My own is ready to be started. So let's start on my own.
What I can see is that you are here with a different plan.
Look, my brother, you're one of mine.
I know.
So why are you scared of me?
Yeah, because of what you have done before.
I want to help you.
I don't need your help.
You don't know the day that you die.
I need your help.
Your children deserve something from you.
In this village, I don't need your help.
Yeah, so you see, as I was saying, yesterday I saw that man crossing that.
Look at it. So the girls in this village, they don't even know how to greet.
Mampa, come. Come here. So are you trying to say that you didn't see us standing here?
Why? Should I carry you?
So you don't know how to greet?
Great things. Will you eat it? Is it food?
The girls in this village,
they don't respect
at all. Look, is it because your
Nana, hey Nana, I love you, Nana. You know I love you. Please, I've done everything for you to accept my proposal, but you still tell me that. You know I love you, Nana. Please don't kill me.
Listen, Edu, I am not interested, okay? And besides, you are way older than I am. We are not age mates.
Nana, please, don't look at my age. You know, I've told you everything that I have belongs to you. Please, accept my proposal and you will be happy. Please, Nana, I beg you.
I am not interested.
Nana,
leave me alone.
Nana, please. I beg you. Nana.
Hey, Broua! Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Comment? Ça va bien, et toi? Ça va. Et la maman? Wow, très bien.
Beautiful girl. Hey! What a beautiful pair of milk containers jangling into the atmosphere of success. Good afternoon.
Yes.
How is that your sister? Is she one of the colonial masters?
Yes, he is.
I want to marry her and make her mine. Hey!
Mind you, she can only speak French.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Hey, tell her I want to marry her. I want to make her mine. I will take care of her. I will do everything for her. Tell her for me. Please do that. Hey!
To comprendre.
Tell her. Yes. I will marry her. She's very beautiful. Or why are you guys laughing?
Yes,
You see this catapult?
Pardon.
I'm the best farmer.
Class.
Yes.
Regarde-moi bien.
I can take care of you.
Laisse-moi tourner, tu vas voir, je suis ton classe.
She's beautiful.
Regarde ça là, c'est pour toi. C'est toi que
Hey, Mampa, I greet you. How are you?
I'm good.
By you, the last time what you did to me, I wasn't happy at all. You know I'm in love with your sister. And instead of you saying something for me, you were doing the other way around. I'm willing to take care of you and take care of your sister as well. Willing to do everything for you guys. I will even shock you. You'll be surprised. Please say something. It's love we are talking about here. Please say something to your sister. I really love her.
Okay.
Please.
Are you done? Now, let today, mark the date, be your very first and last time you send me. I mean your very first and last time you send me. I am not your messenger. I repeat, I am not your messenger. You understand French, right? So go and do it.
Mampa, you don't understand. It's love you're talking about. You don't understand the reason of love.
What are you doing inside?
I was just washing the dishes.
Oh. Lisa, I want to have a word with you.
Okay, Papa.
Lisa.
Yes, Papa.
You are my only daughter. And I've raised you like a princess. Because plans are far advanced. That a prince will come from the other village for your hand in marriage. So,
Look at me. Am I not a woman enough? Don't I have everything? But you prefer that girl. Why are you doing this? You know I love you very much. Don't do this.
yes, it's true. You are beautiful. You have all the looks. But the truth is, I don't love you. She's the only woman I love. Bisa is the love of my life.
I love you, and there is nothing I can't do for you.
Just stop this. Stop this. I mean, honestly speaking, if you want us to be friends, then whenever you see me, act well. If not, don't ever call me.
Ant Hill. Comment? Pourquoi?
Oh, ça me fait rire. Ça là, je ne connais pas ça. C'est pourquoi que je ris. Laisse-moi rire. Please. Leave it. We are all here together. I mean, all of a sudden you start speaking different language.
So you want to cry because of this?
Oh, don't I matter?
Of course. So now what do you want?
I want to learn this new language.
Okay. Don't worry. I will personally teach you. So now tell me, what do you want to learn in the language?
You know, I want to know at least how to breathe in this new language.
Okay.
And then how to express my feeling, my feelings towards someone. You know, at least how to say I love you.
Hey, no. Okay. Greetings. One is in the morning. You say bonjour. Take it.
Bonjour.
Oh, it's not bonjour. Bon slippers. I said bonjour.
Bonjour.
Now, you did it.
Bonjour.
Yeah, afternoon and evening is bonsoir.
Okay.
So repeat it after me. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Yeah. Bonsoir. And then now I love you is je t'aime.
Je t'aime.
Edu, as for you, I don't have much problem with you. But it has come to my notice that you have been frequenting my farm. I mean, you have been passing through my farm to other places, I don't know. There are many farms around.
Please, I just don't want you to pass there. That is all.
Okay, I've heard you, Eja. I didn't know it was your father.
Now you know. Now you know. So please, find another way.
Okay. Now that I know, next time I know where to pass.
So for all this world, this boy, he's very funny. I'll kill birds for you. Oh, I'll kill birds for you and stuff. Hello. Oh, mademoiselle. Oh, to come proper.
No. Comment apprendre?
Ok.
Apprends-moi.
Ok.
L'anglais. Je vais apprendre. Viens manger, ça veut dire quoi?
Good afternoon.
Bonjour.
Good morning.
Ok. Si je dis viens manger le riz.
Come and eat rice.
Come and eat rice.
Good, bien, 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 bien.